Oh,
I haven't started the video
hello,
yet.
Xander's channel. Welcome to halfway through First Gear's video.
Xander, Meisman. This is my Mustang.
Wait, Xander, wait, Xander. Dang it.
Now, if you want to see the good one, check out First Gear's video.
Oh, it was just violent.
Oh, you.
It wrecked half the world.
I can't find my wallet.
The thing is fun, isn't it?
It might be in the slip line. I'm gonna go check. 'Cause I need that.
Now, it doesn't normally snow in June, but it can.
I opened this and then I realized that I really don't want to eat this because that marshmallow stuff is just overwhelming.
I thought you were
How
going to
much
throw
water
it.
does
The
this,
whole...
like,
Oh,
how long
fuck.
does it work?
Oh, God. Oh, it's everywhere in my shirt. Nothing happened.
Something happened.
The snowball just burst in my shirt.
Oh, cool. Yeah, they're everywhere.
We gotta find those before the end of the night.
They rot. You get ants.
Yes.
You want ants? Cause this is
Oh.
how you get ants.
Oh, well, I see you feel strongly about ants. Yeah,
Did somebody finish off the hood with the waxing?
I just tried to check my watch. It's officially 5:30 or crackle because I don't have my watch on now.
This is why I do not eat.
It looks like an anthill.
It's gonna turn into one.
Oh God!
Mamma mia, esta pizza! Oh shit!
You guys have like this professional setup, and I'm just over here with the GoPro in the back.
Hey man, that's all you need.
The difference
yeah, we got
between
the
12 and 33 subscribers?
You know, I got a whole 50. I think I got 15. I haven't checked today. I probably got like 9 now. They all hate me.
We had 15 for 2 years at one point. So don't feel bad. As long as you get one more within the next 2 years, your rate of growth speed up.
Wait, I've had my channel since like 2014, I think.
Oh yeah,
I haven't put anything up,
No one
though.
had legitimately. I mean, we started YouTube when we were like 10 years old, stopping, and a lot of the footage never went anywhere, but it was constantly being made. If you know what I mean? Yeah.
Subscribe.
So,
There's something I eat.
dude, is it behind me?
I tell you what.
What do you want?
I tell you what, brother.
What is it?
Oh, okay. Much quieter that way.
Yeah. What you're suggesting is we have to go to your house? Is that what I'm picking up that you are putting down?
Yeah, we can go and just take the Taurus if you want. It's the only one I don't give a shit if it gets dirty.
What?
The Taurus.
I don't care if that thing gets
What do
dirty.
you want? What do you want?
I need to go get
Yes,
something
get
for
it.
me concept.
What do you want?
And all of our cars are too loud, especially the Taurus.
What are you getting?
My glove compartment box thing.
I forgot it at home.
License and registration, they're in my glove box, which is at my house.
Old car. But I need to grab that.
What do you want to take?
The car that is in the way of everything else.
Is that fine?
Hey Xander, how do you put more water in this?
I'll go get more water. Well, actually, that's a lie. I have more water. I'm stupid.
I don't know how to make more water, but there's not cool steam coming out.
Huh? Perfect. Yes.
I'm moving the tractor. Something clicked and I don't like it. Oh, I think the gear did because it's in first. Now it's in neutral.
Yes.
I roll it away. I'll steal it right now.
Oh no!
Mm.
Tractors.
I'll trade you my Volkswagen rims for this one.
I think I could go for a nice set of
I'm
18s.
gonna put. You
Can you imagine?
I'm
It just tilts.
thinking a 36 is a bit too much for you. I could get you an 18, and I'll put this on that Spitfire over there. Swap them around.
I think we should try it on this thing too.
Oh,
Just call it some mud
Only the back
sand.
wheels. You leave the front wheels as they are. It's just like this.
You have to like angle into every you have to back into
If
every
you turn
parking
hard,
lot.
tips over, you just start rolling.
This is the kind of stuff that happens at 4 in the morning when you clean cars.
Yeah, last time
I'm
you
about
ended
to
up
fall
passed out on a truck seat
Oh,
next
God.
to the truck it was supposed to be in.
No, I remember the
While
part of
Brady
it.
and I were wired on espresso.
Some of the footage that I lost, I was laying. There wasn't a seat in the cab, and I just laid across the cab and then with the new carpet. I like
Yeah,
passed out for a minute
Look
or
at the
two.
carpet as a blanket.
Oh, it's so comfortable though. You're great. But yeah, you excited for the car show tomorrow?
I'm not excited to wake up, but I'm excited to be there.
I'm gonna get a lot of caffeine tomorrow morning. Well, actually, in a couple hours.
Nobody's gonna care about my car. That's what I'm predicting.
Well, you'd be surprised. There've been a couple MGs.
Not in Berg though. They're all gonna be like, oh, look at that Camaro SS over there. Look at that Camaro SS to the left of that Camaro SS.
You see, but that's what makes it great with the Spitfire, though. Is it's a car you don't expect, like the TR3.
Oh yeah.
When you brought that up to
Mama,
Mama's, like everybody just flocks to you to
comes over
talk
and
to you
goes,
about
what the
it.
heck is this?
Yeah,
This little clown car with a cruise ship steering wheel.
I mean, you talked to that one guy for how long? Like
Oh, like
20 minutes or
15
something.
minutes, easily. And it was running. I'm just sitting there going, yeah, so I'm gonna be going. It's like, yeah, that's cool. So anyway, I had a buddy that I'm like, okay, cool. I'm gonna be going. I put it in gear 30 separate times while I was sitting there. I'd give it a little rev, stick it in gear, and then keep talking. He was cool though. Did not expect him to have a friend that built them.
So it is whatever I said it was. I think 4 in the morning. I think
I'm gonna drink this monster.
we're gonna get up
Sam,
at
you want a little drink of this monster?
oh no,
Where
not
is
yet.
Sydney?
Oh shit.
Oh.
I didn't think that far ahead, did I? Probably wouldn't hurt to just sleep in the car at this point. I mean, we sleep for like, what, a half hour?
You ready to go get breakfast before leaving?
I don't see myself falling asleep.
We do
Yeah,
need
I'm
to get
probably-
If
breakfast.
I keep moving, I can get up, power scrape through the day, and then go to bed.
Yeah, because once the car show's over, I'm probably just going to come home and just pass out.
Yeah.
Because I got to work early Monday anyway.
Oh, I had bundles. God dang it.
You got what?
Dude, you'll stay awake for that.
I'll be awake for loud music.
What even is that?
Holy God, I did not notice this.
Yep, typical Ford antenna. Same one that goes on the trucks. Same one that goes on the Mutangs.
You know how easily you could bend this thing?
Well, I backed that truck out last night, and the antenna got caught on the door, and it just like smacked, and I just hear that.
smaller than the entire truck.
Oh yeah. I mean, for that you actually need a big antenna. For that, you don't need a big
Almost
antenna.
as tall as the truck itself. On this tiny little
Oh God, it is.
Is the car fully waxed now?
That's probably the reaction my neighbor.
Or do you not hear that cam?
This is the sound that just wrecks your ears right now. You ever notice that? You'll just be like super early in the morning or late at night or whatever this is right now, and your ears are just more sensitive. I am so sorry. So yeah, we stayed up all night. see that in First Gear's video, which I'll link it somewhere. I don't know. We'll find out. But anyways, still wide awake. Everybody's, yeah, you can hear them. Yeah, it's gonna be a good day. We got the car show in Williamsburg today for June on Williamsburg. First 50 get dash blacks, which I don't remember if it's good or bad. Hopefully this show goes well and it'll be fun. We got a cool group of cars this time. Should be great. Stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the video. Please browse the channel, like the video, and subscribe. I just want you to know, if it wasn't for the fact that I have stayed up all night, I would not be up this early and going somewhere. But yeah, it'll be fun.
Well, like, that's the family.
Other Mustang GT.
Yeah, no, the family, and then probably
Mark one.
Are there 4 others? So, okay, we have
It's a
6.
Mustang.
Mustangs everywhere.
See how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
He does.
And none of them look bad so far. I'm happy.
They're all very richer.
I'm really
Makes my
impressed.
red.
So,
Lightweight. Is it taking?
oh man. Look at that flag there standing erect.
Mine's not that color. That's
America.
why it makes mine look.
I didn't have anywhere to hide it, so I had to put it there.
A lot of dogs just popped up while it was.
I like it.
Hey guys, my name is Xander Meisman, and we are at a car show today. I brought my Mustang. Really pretty view. I'm actually over there cleaning it right now. Hello, I'm also right here, so we're also taking some drinks of this lemonade stuff. I finished my drink anyway. Yeah, we're just sitting here. We're just looking at everybody look at our cars because our cars are the best here.
How long have we been here?
And
3 hours. What time is it?
have a great
10:48.
day.
I, honest to God, came here with every intention of filming, but I am so dead. I just don't have anything I want to film right now.
I'm glad we filmed last night. All the
Yeah.
stupid stuff we did.
I didn't think anything of it until now, and it hits
Don't
me.
ever throw a pastry at a stop sign.
I'm excited to see that video.
I hope that's in the video. I hope you can just hear whatever you yelled and then just boom. Hey, a V8. Who'd have thought? Hey, it crackles.
Thunderbirds are not Thunderbirds.
I like the Thunderbird.
It's not a Thunderbird.
Yeah, I'm saying.
Firebird.
Separate from what you're saying, I like the Thunderbird.
There's an old Firebird.
We're trying to know.
Where?
I need to walk